Good evening, my people. How are you this evening? How was your day, How was your day? How are you this evening? Are you back home? Are you still at work? I greet you this evening. The only Prince, Prophet Lushola Goodluck Adegboye, the swagalicious native daughter. Happiness is free. Happiness. Nobody can cure you. You are the only person that can cure yourself. Anything that is pinching you, if you did not take it off, and you know where the something is in your body, you don't need to be sorry for. Even doctor cannot cure you. Since you know where your problem is and you did not tell the doctor, treating you is like wasting of time. Happiness is free. Free. When I mean free, is extraordinarily free. The only person that can make you happy is you. Yes. Now you be the only person. What will constantly make you happy? So, I am making myself happy in a big time. Really happy. Good evening once again. We are going to dance. You're going to feed your spirit, your body, and your soul. Salute. Air Force, Navy, military, anything you call it, soldier, everything combined. We are going to dance.
If you see the way men they fear their wife with them married, wife where you marry well, do bride price, do traditional, do white wedding, do everything. You go reach UK to the fear her. Don't get the day for Bible for man to be a woman. I swear, I want them. All those poor girls for Nigeria where they stay outside. Yeah, your papa don't carry you go. Yeah, your brother don't go. Your brother don't send you. Your papa don't carry you go. Your mama don't carry you go. Your mama don't carry you go. Go there. As a wife, true, baby, the man wife. As you come reach India, you come talk against the man. Don't worry, enjoy, but please don't come back. Because Eddie Juba Yami don't come back. I beg, please don't come back. I have a little bit.
Let us go.
Some men they mess up, oh. They mess up. Some men they mess up. But you don't need to arrest your husband. You don't need to pursue him for house. You don't need to take over his property. You don't need to take him global street. Man, where double you for life. I beg you and keep to God to come back. Men, you hear me, yo. Leave your wife for Niger. Leave your wife for Niger. 2 weeks, they come back. 2 weeks, they come back. And yes, one month to come back. If it 2 months, every 2 months, make sure say it will come back. Woo! And you send money steady for her. And the family, and the children, they send money. But to carry and travel, that one I don't support.
Ayaba yibi yaba yobe.
Some women are idiots. Some women don't want. Some women don't go to. Waiting they see, then go. And those ones whether they carry gold in. Anytime you carry them go, they will change. Follow the ones they need to be. Waiting I see. Immediately they come go free, they come see say they get right to pass man. For UK, man no get sick, man no get right, man no get level. Nobody.
Sorry, Barbara, I have made a mistake. I don't know.
The way they pocket, that's the only thing wey man get. And he get the way he go be that the money wey man get go turn for woman. Man, they dey carry your wife travel. If I tell you won't carry your wife travel, carry her go Ikotu, carry her go Igondo, travel to Ajegunle, go Ogogo Michael, Ojaja main market. Men dey suffer. I swear, wetin man dey see dey suffer. I just come back from UK. Wetin my eye see here no be small. Men dey pass through hell. Men dey pass through nonsense. Men dey see bullshit. Men dey see anyampo. Men dey see kakataka. Men dey see kalamasuke. Men dey see plasita and tali. Men dey see shawama afra kakua.
Oh yeah, come on.
If they give me chance for life, I go say no man to carry the wife for car. Any man will marry woman. Any man will marry a wife. Don't carry and travel out. Don't try carry and travel. Especially those ones who say they dey very broke. They dey poor. Where they don't get anything. Now that is the problem what we get for UK. Now, if you see the way men they fear their wife for UK, if you see the way men they fear their wife when they marry, wife where you marry well, do bride price, do traditional, do white wedding, do everything. You go reach UK, you go fear her. No where the days for Bible for man to be a woman. I swear, I found them. All those poor girls for Naija where they stay outside. Yeah, your papa don't carry you go.
Waka.
Your brother don't go. Your brother don't send you. Your papa don't carry you go. Your mama no carry you go. A man carry you go there. As a wife, true, baby the man wife. As you come reach you there.
Oh my God!
How is it? Don't have to show myself.
No advert.
There's people like
No advert.
Don't worry, enjoy, but please don't come back. Because Eddie Juba Ayami, don't come back. I beg, please don't come back. I have a little salary. Some men they mess up, they mess up. Some men they mess up, but you don't need to arrest your husband. You don't need to pursue him for house. You don't need to take over his property. You don't need to take him go back street and wait double do for life. I beg you and see to God to come back. Men, you hear me, yo? Leave your wife for Naija. Leave your wife for Naija. 2 weeks they come back. 2 weeks they come back. Yes, one month to come back. If it 2 months, every 2 months, make sure say it will come back.
I don't mistake go block my best friend.
But to carry and travel, that's what I do support. Some women go nara, some women are idiots. Some women don't want. Some women don't go to. Wetin dey see, dem go to. And those ones wey dem dey carry go new. Anytime you carry them go, dem go change. Follow the ones dem need to be. Wetin I see.
No, I know they broke. I get one message when I not read well. I don't broke her before I can read that well. I will look for her now. Barbara Rose. I'm going to unblock you when I'm done with the video.
Nobody can see man. The only thing man get na money he get. The only money wey dey in pocket na the only thing wey man get. And he get the way he go be that money wey man get to talk.
Oh my God! Wetin hold me before? I just be like bird dey fly everywhere since how many days?
Man, they dey carry your wife travel. If I tell you won't carry your wife travel, carry her go Ikotu, carry her go Igondo, travel to Ajegule, go Ogogo Michael, Otajami market. Men, they suffer. I swear.
The Netherlands army. Come on.
I just come back from UK.
Salute.
Waiting my eyes see the year.
The comment section, Shelly, Sazuwa, Serena, Ejato. This Serena don't they follow me or can't take years. This name see the sound from my head. Chidna, Esther, Imagwe. Come on. If you know something, if you know if you cannot bite my tongue, go. You see, oh, body disco man, you want to change my name again? Huh? Come on. Favor, Andrew Former, yeah? Favor, about favorite also.
Especially those ones wey be say dem dey very broke, wey dem dey poor, wey dem no get anything. Na that be the problem wey we get for UK.
Ifeanyi Destiny. So I think we have come to the end, or is still on? No, it's still advert. I love the music. Somebody sent me the music. I say, why would this person send me music? Something must be fishing in that music. Before I know it, I see that I say the music, not the music. The music of the music. What is going on there? Come on now.
If you see the way men dey fear their wife for UK, if you see the way men dey fear their wife wey dem marry, wife wey you marry well, do bride price, do traditional, do white wedding, do everything, you go reach UK, you go dey fear her. No where e dey for Bible for man to fear woman.
Waka.
All those poor girls for like that when they dey outside. Yeah, your papa don't carry you go. Yeah, your brother don't go. Your brother don't send you. Your papa don't carry you go. Your mama don't carry you go. A man carry you go to there. As a wife, true, baby, the man wife. As you come reach India, you come come against the man. Don't worry, enjoy, but please don't come back. Because if you buy don't come back. I beg, please don't come back. Some men they mess up, bro. They mess up. Some men they mess up. But you don't need to arrest your husband. You don't need to pursue one for house. You don't need to take over his property. You
This girl come on, make I dey give my pass move.
I dey beg you and think to God to come back. Men, you hear me, yo? Leave your wife for Naija. Leave your wife for Naija. 2 weeks they come back. 2 weeks they come back. Ah yes, one month to come back. If it 2 months, every 2 months, make sure say if you come back. And you send money steady for her. And the family, and the children, they send money. But to carry and travel, that one I don't support. Some women go ndara, some women are idiots, some women don't want, some women don't go to wetin they see, go to. And those ones.
All right. God bless you. Someone is copying champagne for me. I love you. I love you all. Obina. Rock on. Erika good. That's smarty. Esther Imagwe. Chidna Eze.
Nobody can see man. The only thing man get na money he get. The only money wey get
happiness. Azubweke.
And he get the way
Amaka.
The money wey man get.
Mayor. I greet you all and many others.
Man.
Amaka Flores say you be character. Debbie Wise. My real me is coming back to my real self. After check it out. Joyce Opoko.
I just come back from UK. Waiting my eyes see here, so be small. Men they pass through hell. Men they pass through nonsense. Men they see bullshit. Men they see Ayampo. Men they see Kakataka. Men they see Kalamasu.
Epa, wetin be today's topic? The topic is the music, dance.
Men they see Shawarma and Black Aqua.
Oh, Amaka say, Obo, my husband dey vex because I say I love Oga, na normal love for everybody. Na here I talk am, I no dey come here. No vex so. Make una no come say, take me dey do an investment. Say the time when Swagalicious doctor get that problem. Na that time we take scatter. Una no go scatter. Mo na trust na first.
Especially those who want wey be say dem dey very broke. Wey dem dey poor. Where they don't get anything. Now that is the problem. Don't forget.
Come on here.
Actually,
online.
Be a net.
You go come dey disturb person with whatever.
You get for UK now.
Dem mean na say dem must advertise. Respect yourself.
If you see the way men dey fear their wife
For UK.
If you see the way men dey fear their wife
For UK.
Wife wey you marry well, do bride price, do traditional, do white wedding, do everything. You go reach UK, you go dey fear her. No where e dey for Bible for man to fear woman. I swear, I partner. All those poor girls for Naija wey dem dey outside. Yeah, your papa no carry you go. Yeah, your brother no fit go. Your brother no send you. Your mama no carry you go. Your mama no carry you go. A man carry you go.
No be nothing.
As a wife, true, you be the man wife. As you come reach India, you come talk against the man. Don't worry, enjoy, but please don't come back. Because if you do ayani, don't come back. I beg, please don't come
Today
back.
na dancing. If you are expecting much, you may not get it tonight.
Rapadi babies and rapper do it. Some men they mess up, oh. They mess up. Some men they mess up. But you don't need to arrest your husband. You don't need to pursue him for house. You don't need to take over his property. You don't need to take him and go back street. Man, where double you for life. I will beg you and keep to God to come back. Men, you hear me, yo. Leave your wife for Niger.
Life sweet, eh?
Leave your wife for Niger.
Make I take women's drink.
They come back. 2 weeks, they come back. Ah yes, one month to come back. If it 2 months, every 2 months, make sure say you will come back. And you send money steady for her. And the family, and the children, send money. But to carry and travel, that's why I do support.
Ayaba yibi yaba yore.
Some women are idiots. Some women don't want. Some women don't go to. Waiting they see, then go to. And those ones where they carry gold in. Anytime you carry them go, they will change. One of the ones they need to be. Waiting I see. Waiting I see.
Thank you, Amaka. Yes, Princess Osarume, Princess Osarume, Princess. That is my song.
Man,
the German boss.
Man, you no get right. Man, you no get level. Nobody dey see man. The only thing man get na money he get. The only money wey dey in pocket na the only thing wey man get. And he get the way he go be that the money wey man get go turn for woman.
Yaba yobo.
Man.
Adoro boys. Don't use your waiting. I don't understand it. Adoro boys. Don't use that shine.
Men, they suffer. I swear.
What is the name of this person? Make I quickly broke her.
I just come back from UK. Waiting my eyes see me here, very small. Men they pass through hell. Men they pass through nonsense. Men they see bullshit. Men they see Anyampo. Men they see Kakataka.
Is this guy lucky or what? I'm not saying
men they see Prasita and Tali. Men they see Shawama Abra Kakwa. If they give me chance for life, I will say no man to carry his wife for her. Any man will marry woman. Any man will marry a wife. Don't carry and travel out. Don't try carry and travel. Especially those ones who will say they're very broke. They're very poor. Where they don't get anything. Now that is the problem what we get for UK. Now.
All right. I think I'm fine with this where I have reached so far. Okay, now. Thank you. Thanks for coming. And I believe you are also making yourself happy. Happiness pays. Doctor don't have medicine to cure whatever your problem is, but the happiness can cure even natural or whatever problem you may have, can increase your immune, your lifespan, etc. Can give you energy to do your daily job, your daily activities. Hence, I urge that you always create happiness for yourself. Those who know me from 2010 know that I am a dancer. No matter my position, I just be playing music and be dancing. I sleep with music. I play music. Even in abroad, house go shake. But we thank God today. Going back to my roots. Going back to my roots. God bless you. Wherever you are, I bless you. Now, quick, now, person when you drink, the favor person. Now, quick, masa, were, chia. Now you go, they get favor. Anybody when you put eye for him body say you need favor for him. If he get that favor and he not give you, he not go rest until he give you. And if you not get that favor, he get who get am. He go help you go find that favor come for you. That is the prayer I pray for you now and forever. Amen. Life sweet oh. Naturally, life is a honey. When you meet wrongly, life become bitter leaf. May you not experience bitter leaf as life in your life. Amen. Bye for now. Rita Egu. Any I pronounce her? Now you are the great. Sit down on top. I hope you are on top. May you be on top. Joan Wiz, I greet you. You Abo should I should not go. Abo, don't go. Don't go now. I have other things to do. Now I remember say I never even send the B to some companies when I work for. While I not be anybody friend though. I just remember and they just click my ear. And if another week John I will not remember to send 2 weeks, I can't send 1 week. So I will just go offline and quickly send it. Obo, I say make I pack come house. Ushas, Obo, I say make I pack come house as your wife. Don't go now. Where you which country you dey? I don't want make conji home you. You feel come now. Provided we not get promise for each other. I bet do it fast to. Do it. At the time I tell you that be this now. But we not go do social media over here. If I dey do video, you want pass, you go wear that cloth when all these Muslim people they wear. Take cover face. If you mean I will sew the cloth wait for you. Yes. I feel where you masquerade cross I get for us. Okay, thank you. Sit down on top, say Obo, your face fresh, your shoe fine. Enjoy life now. Oh my God. So you don't shave my shoe just now. Look at you, I'm again. How they do karat today? It's a bit show that time. Look, I said that if you still they do karat. Yeah. You see, okay, the shoe really fine. What do you mean never really do? Not thief, I never thief. Oh. I may train karat. In short, adventure. They adventure. They like to go in there and see what's happening. I may train police, Nigeria police. They try. I don't even need somebody to praise, but I say they try. I train karat in this country, not in Nigeria. I don't fight. Whether if you beat me or not, I must not fight to let you. And I know they use and fight, but I like it. It keep me fitted. Yes. It was this country I trained karat. It was this country I trained how to swim. I never knew how to swim before. And many more. Don't go like that. So that is good. What of the? They are doing well. Thank you, Rita. Thank you, Esther. A boy get swag. And so we be see swag before. Oh. I call dey look for swag. I don't know where it go. God, thank you. Thank you, Welly Welly. Something in the Bible and many others. Now I understand wetin I went through. But we thank God. I'm alive to tell the story. No, the cap is for the military. Oh, if you're the Italy, oh, you're too far. I get many people for Italy, but it's too far. Therefore, don't enter as the next day now. Or enter jolly they go. Maybe they just cook pepper soup for me. You first clear my chest. I never see trying to cook better food for myself, but I just dey eat jollof rice for now. To say Italy dey near, they go dey meet yourself for here boku. We just dey eat. Omega child Sarah no Frank Igbeyo. He say Obo swag don return. Oh, thank you, my Lord. It shall be. I go look some people where they don't senior me. I can't look the way I can't just drop one time. I no feel recover. I say, what is happening? I fresh before. Wetin dey happen? I wanna your mate. No rest of my nothing. I can't become like house girl when you go cook, when you go market, when you go wake up early, when you go sleep late. Chai. Say no borrow any gang. Yeah. The people when insult me because make my eye for open. Then many I know. No. I will look and say this one not be insult. Now my way they talk. But no, just like when you get mother, when mother will you just carry somebody come go give your mother will look you, will first give you slap for face. Boy! You say mama what you say your eye not clear. I want clear your eye. Who is this person you bring to me? As what? Oh yeah. Now that very day go say you are not following that person to Lagos. So oh yeah, go put her for motor park. In short, now your younger brother will go put her for motor park. May go back. You say mama, the person load dey my house. You go say if you reach there give her a load. I don't want to see her for your house for Lagos. If you know who I don't know. You say Obo, I dey for Germany now. I dey come house. I better come. I hope you know the address. Come. Now only that thing I dey miss now. Any other thing e dey. Who will just dey cook pepper soup, fish pepper soup, cow food pepper soup. I will just dey use and dey rub my left chest like this. Say daddy, open your mouth make I put small. Daddy. The other one they call daddy here. The other one if they be told they call swagalicious. The swag. You are doing well. The swag. Then another one they back. They rub my shoulder like this. Say, honorable chair, you are championing well. You know. Hey, life is cool, man. Oh, cool, man. Sit down top. Say, oh, cool, man. You even block my real account self. Hey, you are not vex. You go chat me for I bet this person Barbara Rose. Make somebody help me chat Barbara Rose. Tell her say I broke am by mistake. When I finish with this thing I will unblock am because I don't know how to unblock while I'm still live. I not just read the message finish. I just see something like what they say I don't know, but anger says sometimes not go. I not read that finish. I block and finish before I can read that. I will go look for them. Ajua Angela, he say please dance for us again. No worry, you know say nobody they challenge me to dance. Now when I want dance I dey dance. I not be masquerade when you say abeg don't come dance for me. Some of my fans self, you guys are doing. I know it's good to see me dancing. Thank you. All right. Amaka say, oh, I thank God say I don't marry. Who you come marry now? You know tell us who you marry. I not dey for marry level. Do me I do you. Now I tell you say I do. Do me I do you. I not to say come not pack all your property come when you dey come o, so that if you not go, it will easy for me to throw outside. No come dey drag luggage from upstairs dey come down. Obo, you for don get better years ago, na you spoil everything. Women full Facebook for you that years. They're too much that years now. They did, but I not do one, not even do two. I will dey live, not be say lie, because you know say I open dating site for them that time. We do am through the night, and na through me people dey chat say, oga, I like that boy, I like this girl, and I dey look for wife. I not talk to them, I just dey look them. And they always dey avoid one thing. You say, I go meet am, may help me for husband, now he come be me. I don't know how the thing they do me. People don't really know me, know say I don't try for humanity. I may be the first person to open dating site on Facebook free. Men and women will just they connect themselves. True, I know they offer more. I will first help them moderate until I can't go sleep. I'll just leave and open. Many marry, then not be say go come. I tried. Without being told, I don't need somebody to tell me say I tried before I will praise myself. Obo, I sabi cook well o. Well. If you are not joking, you chat me na weekend dey come, so that one no come me say you chat me and be say you cheap. You just chat me. If you mean na, not be tomorrow, be Thursday, then Friday, whether you are working, you close for work, you just come. Sunday evening you go. 3 days is enough. Chat me if you mean na. Not be marry o. I just gong now they talk o. Gong. You just come, you go Africa shop, I drive you, go Africa shop, we go buy things, buy stuff, Jonah, buy much till they miss her, buy all the shaki, everything, kaote, come do pepper soup. Then we come they do gong. Princess Berry rather, yeah. I've seen your message. Enjoyment Obo want to before call. I born who they born person. I born who then they born. I born who they marry person. I born who then they marry. Wetin I call they look for again. You come, we just they dig and they go. Simple. Even if I go Nigeria, the way I did before, I'll get many girlfriends when they come from Europe. You just stay one of the room there like say na hotel. If una be two, na meet una say they no dey fight, we cannot be married. You can't shop your own. That is how they take talk and say whether na Aso Rock cake abi na presidential cake, how they call it, national cake. A national cake na me, I will never put anybody for us again when will tell me or anything until then. But we just want like national cake. This your name now, wow. Which name again? Gong. Alright. But please invite me. I sabi cook the pepper soup. Which country are you? Dayo na man name, abi na woman name? Akinyele Dayo. Oh yeah, na which country? That is how you block me, because I repeated what your ex said. Yeah, no verse. Any go there. Person when smoke they enter in face, not the see road clearly. I thank God say I don't marry. If not, I for come. But I love my husband. Yeah, I love to hear that word. I bet which kind do you? Some comments said they scatter the small English when I learn. I bet which kind do you? I do me. Which one be okay? Now this one again. All right. Now Eunice's name. I enjoy today. Parry. Okay, now okay, Dayo. Na that you dey talk. Okay. Obo de Holland. Women wetin? Obo de Holland. Women. Now wetin you read right now? I read. Okay. This one say, Obo, good evening. I have Italia 001. I have Italia 00 abi. I want to relocate to the Netherlands. Please, can you help me with a job? If you are serious, you chat me. That shows that you are serious. And I don't know what it's called, Italia 00. So if you want me to connect you with the immigration, they will tell you what you can do with it. Otherwise, if you are chatting me, you can explain what 00 mean. Maybe you are allowed to stay here, work here, or maybe you have passport. So I don't really know. Obo the national cake. You are doing well. Omega child. Now they call me that name. Molly Oparagu. Obo, no let them video your gbola. I will take it easy, yeah. You know, say these days now many people not they shame again. You are right. Good advice. Before we enter the other room, I go use my security gadget to scrutinize you. Anything when they make beep, even in that small camera, say you hide inside. Beep. I will say break that thing, come outside. Yeah. Molly. Yeah, na so it is well. All right. Explain, you go say explain. Na so I say, my tongue not let me talk. Italia means permanent stay. Wow. I need a job too, please to locate, please. I don't know. I can't read that one well down. The way you take right and I take it anyway. You are looking young and handsome. Thank you, Pellet. Obona, you call yourself that name, native national cake. Okay, no verse. Obono, let pepper enter my throat. Abeg go. Never talk when you are eating. But nothing like again. It's either 10 years or passport. All right. Obo, open your cap. Now see as you fresh. Military person not they open cap like that anyhow. You like can like this or you like can with cap? Obo, as you say you know one marry, I don't dey pack my bag go back. Now husband level, I'll look for husband for you. All right. You made mistake with write up. You are supposed to write. You have no. I have copyright to the music. Yes, I write like that. I know. Thank you. Now, tell me what you are drinking right now from where you are watching me. You can't be watching me drinking something and you are not drinking something, even in a water. Or you dey lick orange or na drink. I want marry you, Obo. Oh yeah, now make I see you for make I see you privately on WhatsApp or SMS. How do you say it? Messenger. But I don't want marry for him. Even though we are joking here, marry, just forget about it. You understand? His Ade. Okay, sit down on top. Say in they drink Fanta. You try. Rita say they drink water. That's good. You guys are connecting. Obo, the handsome bachelor. You are doing well. Omega child, they follow me everywhere. Wallahi. Wow, I'm ripping now. Obo don fresh. Oh, I dey drink wine with my husband. Greet your husband for me. Oh, Mr. Obo, please, I need sugar daddy. Abi, I don already become sugar daddy. Time don dey go for my side with that. Oh, I should help you find sugar daddy. Jennifer, I can see you are happy. Of course I do. Thank you. Now water I just drink finish. Oh, that is Molly. Oli said. Let me see what Oli said. Oli said, now water I dey drink. That is Oli said. Chinyenu. Alright. Esther say I dey eat. Oh, that's good. Esther Imagbe. Jennifer say, okay, is that Jennifer? Who say Obo, you know of like many comment. Before I read one finish self, the other one don't jump. Omega Cha say, Obo, you go marry when you fall in love again. You go hard though to fall in love. I better stand in love so that if you have my select run. I fall in love, I make an office stand up since so. I beg, I don't want to fall in love. I want to stand in love. I don't want to fall in love. I want to stand in love. Stand in love, stand in love, stand in love. Oh, Shelley. Obo, you go. I can see you are happy. Yes, of course I do. Jardine say, Obo, now madam went for holiday. Are you gonna chop cake for ritual? I don't understand though. I be small pikin. No, I never used to understand that language. Sigbege said, you are more relaxed today. Yes, so I don't open my heart, don't pour nonsense come outside. The heart empty. No more trouble inside my heart. They call me different name. You know where? He dey crazy, he dey mad. Me when he dey mad, I dey get better. Now the medicine una fit chop with that. Hey, don't demand though. She as all of na cost me. I never reach make I take the mad, but I'm even fine. Now the tablet when I take with that. So say go hospital, I thank una. Now na the hospital now I go for una head when I take the bring una together, they pour am out. That was my general hospital. I didn't take anything. If I know even worse, if I know go fit take this one join talk, it will bust my brain. But I say I dey use all of them relax. When I will talk, I go sleep well, relax well. I no even sleep for many days, but I just dey like this on top of bed. But after talk, the thing they be like say nothing dey my brain. When another one come, I can't remember many things. I will come on like, but it don't empty now. My family don't come and say, even though it's giving me relief, they don't want to see that again. I thank God say quick me talk am. Cause I see my family they come, I don't want to pick their cup because the thing be say, if you pick off your elderly people, that stop you not stop, na problem. So if you dey in a situation you need to talk, don't pick anybody's call. They don't know how you are feeling. Not only you know how you dey feel. Don't pick anybody's call if you need to air your mind. On a very serious note, it could be your parent, they could be your uncle, immediate and extended family. If you have something bothering you and you feel if you do it, now you will be okay. Any call coming your way, don't pick. If you pick and you say no, these people will not become your problem in the rest of your life. I talk to them not here. Can you imagine as an elderly person, as uncle, as auntie, as big sister? Did you know I talked to him? He didn't listen to me. You go finish the battle, the normal battle finish, you can't face their battle because they find where they want to tie you before. That will not become problem. If you are in a situation that you know when you disobey people first, now you go do better. Disobey them peacefully. Don't pick their call. Don't call them to report to them, because when you call them to report to them, they will only beg you, say please forget it. And when they say you continue, you become their, the target. Which I did. I finished. I did think of what to talk. I never remember. Now I come pick my elder brother call when they call me since. We dey for group platform that the right message. I know I read am, no show to them say I read am because e no go show say I read am. I lis ten to voice, I do like say I no fit enter platform. When I don relax myself finish, I go tell them say sorry, I no get chance to come platform since they come warn me. I say okay, I've heard you, but meanwhile my heart is